their mom took them to the store. The sisters walked past rows of shoes until they spotted the perfect pair. Simple, sturdy, soft inside. They wrapped the shoebox neatly and wrote a small note. A gift for you. May Allah always bless you. The next Monday, with pounding hearts, they slipped the box into Sarah's cubby before class. At recess, Aina watched as Sarah opened the box, her eyes widening. She looked around, a shy smile spreading across her face, but she had no idea who had left it. Sitting under the shade of a tree, Abir leaned close. "Doesn't it feel good?" she whispered. Aina nodded, her heart light. The best feeling ever. That night, as they lay in bed, their mother kissed their foreheads. "Remember, girls," she said gently, "the kindness you gave today wasn't small in Allah's eyes. You filled your hearts with something priceless." The sisters smiled, whispering a quiet dua for Sarah, and drifted off to sleep, grateful, peaceful, and knowing that true happiness comes from sharing without needing thanks. If you enjoyed this story, subscribe to Guided Hearts for more heartwarming Islamic stories and lessons. And if you'd like us to create a story with your child's name, let us know in the comments below.
Okay. Kindly close your eyes. Close your eyes first. Okay. Close your eyes and be quiet. Listen to the bell sound. Close your eyes. When I count 5, you close your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Pumadet, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close. Close your eyes. Ready? And listen to the, close your eyes and listen to the sound. Close your eyes. Okay. Listen to the sound of the bell. Okay. Listen to the sound of the bell. Be quiet. Okay, listen to the sound of the bell. Okay, open your eyes. Okay. Have you listened the sound? Did you hear the sound? Yes or no?
Yes.
Show me your hand if you listen the sound. If you hear the sound of the bell. Okay. Okay. Hands down. Okay. The bell represents the sound. Okay. Bell represents as a teacher. If you listen to the bell sound, you are a very good student. Okay. If you didn't listen the sound of the bell, you're not a good student. So you have to behave, you have to be kind, show your love to your teacher. Okay? Now here, we have the activity for today. Okay? The heart. Okay. So we have the red light. Okay. Red and green. Okay. Red and green. So we have the activity for today. Stand up, please. Okay. Okay. So we have the red and green. Red and green. Okay. Red represents the stop. You stop. And green means to go. Okay, what is the red?
Stop.
Stop. Green?
Go.
Okay. You stop.
Stop.
You go.
Go.
Stop.
Stop.
Go.